I'm just about to start the repairs on the offside chassis rail, and as you can see it's not anywhere near as bad as the other side. I've already cut off the bumper iron support bracket that goes here, and as you can see there's a small hole there which I can weld up. I'll cut off this face here, as you can see there's some corrosion there, and also if we go in and have a look under, you can see that there's corrosion out of this underside, but where the anti-roll bar bracket is fixed it's okay, so I'll cut it off about there and weld a new piece in. The front plate, as you can see, is okay, as is the top. So this should be a fairly simple fix now compared to the other side. I've now pretty much finished the repairs to the offside chassis rail, and as I said previously, there wasn't as much work to do on this particular side. So here you can probably see that I've welded in a new side plate there which was corroded, as you saw from the photographs. And on this side I thought I could get away with not doing any repairs on this, but I have repaired this lower section here with 3mm. This is, although it looks a bit pitted, which it is, the thickness and the integrity of that metal is good. And similarly underneath I have replaced that section that goes across to the anti-roll bar bracket, and yeah, it was a bit touch and go whether I had to remove this bracket and weld in a full new section, but I tested it and it was good metal, so I've just welded this part in up to there. I've also made another support for the bumper iron, so that just needs to be finished off. I'll give it a coat of zinc primer. I have already attached the captive nuts, as you can see there, and cut it to shape so that it is level, and that line that you can see there just at the top is where I've got to weld it on, and it'll come flush with the front of the chassis rail, and that will give us the right height for the centre of the holes there, which will bolt on the bumper iron bracket. So as you can see now, I've welded on the bumper iron support bracket, and I can confidently say that the repairs to both chassis rails is now complete. Just a little bit of tidying up of the welds, but I've given everything a coat of zinc primer, as you can see, and I think my welding's getting a little bit better, and as I said before, they are good welds. So really all that remains to be done to both sides now is give the insides a coating of wax oil, the Genelite stuff, and bung up the access holes with some rubber grommets, and this is pretty much finished now. But what I will do in the near future is totally clean down the chassis as much as I can. I may even, as I said in the previous episode, remove the engine so I can get good access to the rest of the chassis at the front and what I can from underneath, and totally give the chassis a coating of the appropriate protection. So that wraps up the chassis rail repairs. In the next episode we're going to be looking at the splash panels and what needs to be done there. Lots of fun. Looking forward to that one. Okay, please like and subscribe. This is quite a short video. There'll be lots more coming in the very near future, as you can imagine. So again, see ya. Bye.